How to fix activation error 0x803fa607 in Windows 11 or 10. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue. First of all, check the version of your window. This video is applicable to the home version. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, select System, scroll down and click on About. Manage Windows 11 Home. This video is applicable to home version. If yours is also home version, then start following the steps. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now go to the video description. You will find these commands there. You will have to run the commands in the command prompt. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. I am not pressing here enter because I have already activated my Windows. Never mind, please follow the steps. This command will delete previously installed product keys. After running this command, run this command, copy, paste and enter. Copy from here, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. After a moment, a pop-up window will appear saying that the product key has been installed. Click on OK. Then run this command. Copy from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Again a pop-up window will appear. Click on OK on that one. Finally run this command. Copy from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait until a pop-up window appears saying that the product key has been authenticated. This may take up 10 minutes. When authentication pop-up window appears, click on OK. Your Windows will be activated. In case if you get a pop-up saying authentication is not successful, check that there is no typo in the product key you have entered. If that still doesn't work, wait for 1 or 2 hours and try again. The Windows will be activated. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.